Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Square for online payments and checkout links step by step clearly. To enable Square for online payments and checkout links, begin by visiting the Square website. Log in to your Square account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the Online tab on the dashboard. Select Checkout Links from the drop-down menu. Click on the Create a Checkout Link button. Enter a name for your checkout link to easily identify it later. Fill in the necessary details for the item or service you want to sell. Set the price for your item or service in the designated field. You can also add a description and upload an image if needed. After completing the details, click the Save button to create the link. Once the link is generated, copy it to your clipboard. Next, go to the platform where you want to share the checkout link. This could be social media, your website, or an email. Paste the copied link in the appropriate area for sharing. Make sure to test the link to ensure it redirects to the checkout page correctly. If needed, revisit the Square dashboard to customize or edit your checkout links. You can create multiple links for different products or services as necessary. Ensure to monitor your transactions for any updates or changes through your Square account. That's it. You have successfully enabled Square for online payments and checkout links. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.